Here we have a 2017 Ford F150 with a 5.0 V8. We just put a nice Magnaflow catback dual exhaust system on there out the side, as you see here, with some 3.5-inch stainless steel tips. Customer doesn't want too much sound, just a little mellow tone rumble, nothing too crazy. Just left the factory resonator on there, just a Magnaflow wide open. It's a 5 by 8 by 18-inch case. Should just give it a little mellow tone sound. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, just nice and smooth, nothing crazy left. Nice and mellow. Should be just what the customer's asking for. Sounds good.